Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm filming an apartment tour today. If you're new here or not really familiar with my videos, I don't really make videos. I recently moved to the Seattle area in like late July, early August. I previously lived in Linwood, but then I just moved to Seattle. I am in Belltown, Lower Queen Anne area, if you're familiar. So we're gonna go ahead and start this tour. I am in a open one bedroom, which you can see kind of like that, but we'll start from the top. So this is the front door. It actually came with this already. I put some of my shoes down here, and then your first view is this. Immediately to the right, this is the bathroom. Yeah. Not really much to say. I went ahead and put some of my toiletries in here, and then as you're exiting, there is this closet, which this is just a little closet that I'll probably put like my suitcases like I did right here. And then if you turn around, this is the laundry room. I went ahead and moved some of my towels already. And then once you turn, this is the big view. I'll turn these lights on. So you stop at the kitchen or the bedroom. And like I said, it's an open one bedroom. It does have the sliding doors. When you turn into the open one bedroom, there's the light switches. This also comes with AC, which I'm really excited about. And then this is the closet. And then with the closet, I brought some clothes with me that I'm gonna hang up actually. It also comes with this TV, which I'm probably gonna connect it to a Roku stick. I'm not gonna get cable. Is a storage unit underneath the TV. And then same thing over here. So I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is a relatively small room. It's literally a bedroom. I have a queen size bed, so I'm just gonna put it in the middle, and then literally I think that's the only furniture I'm gonna have in here. And then if you're walking out of the bedroom, this is the kitchen. I'm really excited because I actually have an ice maker, and then the refrigerator. There's not a lot of counter space, but it should be pretty fine. I don't really cook that much anyways. This is pretty much a stovetop. You can turn them on over here, and they have like different temperatures on them. And then this is a microwave oven. So when I'm using it as a microwave, I can take these out. And then if I'm using it as an oven, I can put them back in. And then it actually like has like baking and roasting and all of that stuff over here. And then when you turn over, this is the living room. I'm gonna put my L-shaped couch here and then the TV over here. And then you can also see a view of the Space Needle, which is pretty cool. So that was pretty much the whole tour. It was very echoey because obviously nothing is in here. There's a really nice rooftop view too, which hopefully I can show in a different video. If you guys want me to do a apartment tour once I actually move in, I can do that, or any other videos. I've had a lot of people say that they like my Seattle videos, so if you want any videos, let me know. This is my new apartment. I'm very, very lucky and fortunate. I got a very good deal on this place, and like I worked for this place. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.